Okay, so yo investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I've got another penny stock for you. So this company is called Transenterix. So ticker symbol is TRXC. So on Friday, this stock was nearly up 30% and closed at $1.16. And after hours, it's up over 20%. So in this video, we're gonna go through the stock, go through the company, and is this stock a buy come Monday when the market opens? So you're gonna want to watch to the end to find out. But yeah, as always guys, please smash that like button, please subscribe down below, follow the million mile journey, and we'll do very well in the stock market this year. I've got so many penny stocks coming for you over the next coming weeks and days. So yeah guys, you're gonna want to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. But yeah, as always, before investing into these penny stocks, just know that they're very risky and very volatile, so please invest carefully and invest cautiously. So my personal advice is to only invest money that you don't mind losing into these penny stocks. But yeah guys, be safe. But yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, so the company is Transenterix, and like I said, ticker symbol is TRXC. So this company develops surgical robotic system which offers robotic surgical assistant to surgeon, and this is used for laparoscopic, abdominal and pelvic surgery. So this robotic system is basically used for minimally invasive surgeries to improve patient outcomes. So the robotic system is called Senhance. So the Senhance robotic system, and is the first digital and the first and the only digital laparoscopic platform or system basically in the world. So the way it works is it digitalizes the interface between the surgeon and the patient to increase the control whilst reducing surgical variability, and this in turn will improve patient outcome, which leaves less space for human error. So this is a benefit for the patient because improved outcomes, so the surgery is more likely to be a lot more successful, and also benefits the surgeon. The surgeon still has control in terms of the system, the robotic system, whilst not actually being in the room or having their hands or their surgical tools in there. They'll be controlling it from backstage. So it creates like an interface between the surgeon and the patient whereby they're both not in the same room. So this is amazing, and I thought the biggest positive is that it improves patient outcome, and that's what you want from any medical or any futuristic medical device, because if it does the same thing a normal person can do, then there's no point. But the fact improves patients' outcome is very big. Then also the system provides excellent outcome while optimizing resources and costs. So this is a benefit for both the patient and for the hospital that chooses to install the system, because it will save you cost and resources whilst providing a better result. So this is great stuff. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna play a video. So watch this video, which is gonna explain the product a lot more, and I think you'll be very impressed, because I feel like before you invest in any company, you need to know what the product do, because essentially is the product that's bringing in the revenue. So watch this video, look carefully, and you be amazed, and you see why I'm so bullish and so excited about this company. But yeah, watch the video.
While standard laparoscopy is an excellent technique for minimally invasive surgery, how do we continue to advance? How do we lessen the physical toll some instruments can take on surgeons? How do we stay sensitive to costs and efficiencies while preserving the benefits? How do we focus on these challenges while moving forward? By building off the foundations of laparoscopy and evolving to be better for surgeons, better for patients, and better for hospitals. Senhance begins that evolution by digitizing the interface between the surgeon and the patient. First of its kind surgeon eye tracking camera control. First of its kind haptic sensing. Improved ergonomics with familiar surgical technique. Open footprint for clear communication and sterile field access. compatibility with existing OR systems, rapid docking, and familiar reusable instruments that keep costs similar to standard laparoscopy. Your robotics strategy can address the challenges, be responsible with costs, and enhance the surgical experience. It's time for laparoscopy to evolve. Choose evolution.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. Like, as you can see, very complex system, but very futuristic. And this is a system that is out on the market, is being sold, is being used as we speak. So this is not like out of reach. This is not something in the future. This is actually happening, a robotic surgical system. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go through some big things that's been happening in the company and why I believe this company is only gonna get bigger in 2021. So I'm just gonna go through some amazing things that happened back in 2020. So recent highlights on their website shows that the Senhance surgical system received a registration certificate by the Russian Medical Device Regulatory Agency, which allows for the sale and utilization of this device in Russia federations. So this means they're reaching global market, and them expanding is just going to expand their revenue. So this is a company that's just got the product out on the market, and already they're reaching global territory. So they're in US, I believe they've expanded to the Europe. Obviously they're in Russia, they've got their license, and also I believe they're expanding to Asia as well. So this is a company that's taking their product global, and this makes sense because surgeries happen globally. It's not just restricted to the US, and so the company has not restricted themselves as well. They've built this product to be able to be used anywhere globally, and this is what the company is doing. They're utilizing it, being that they're the first company to come out with this product, this robotic system for this kind of surgery, so it makes sense. So even if there was another competitor that was to come along, this company is basically the Tesla of the space of this robotic system that treat this kind of condition. This is the Tesla of that space. They're the only ones doing it, and if someone else was to come in, a competitor, they can't compete. So yeah, I like that this company is going global, and for me this is very good signs of growth and good revenue moving forward. And throughout 2020, the company initiated 10 clinical programs, 3 across the US, 4 in Europe, and 3 in Asia, which again shows global expansion because they're not just limiting it to the US. They've went in Europe, they've went in Asia as well. So they're capturing that global market. And also during 2020, there were 15 peer-reviewed clinical papers published, which provided further support of the clinical utility of the Senhance surgical system, and this adds to the credibility of the company. 15 peer-reviewed clinical papers about this product. This just makes it more trustworthy, and this sets the company good for long-term expansion. Then on December the 31st, 2020, the company had approximately 17.5 million in cash, which I actually think is good. It's not a lot, but I think that's a good amount of money to have sitting on the side for cash. Then the company is expected to have cash support operation into the third quarter of 2021. So this cash is supposed to last them into the third quarter of 2021. Then obviously they're going to have revenue coming in. So the fourth quarter revenue is expected to be approximately $1.1 million, and the full 2020 revenue is expected to be between $3 to $3.2 million. And I think we'll get into this a bit later towards the end. So I'm just going to read a statement from the CEO, Anthony Fernando, which is the president and the CEO of Transenterix. So this is what he said: "We built a great foundation in 2020, and we're planning to continue to execute on our strategy in 2020, bringing transformative technology to surgeon, hospital, and patients across the globe." Okay, so let's talk about the upcoming milestones for 2021. So 2021, this company plans to receive their CE mark approval for the ICU in Europe, and this is important for expansion. And also, in addition to this, they plan to also receive their FDA 510K clearance for general surgery indication expansion. Again, like I told you, this company is wanting to go global. So everything this company is doing this year, I feel like, is to go global, to take their products outside of the US and to go to Europe, Asia, just to take the product global, which is very important for the expansion of this company. So let's look at some analyst price target for this stock for 2021. So the average Wall Street analyst rating is a strong buy for this stock with a price target of $1.45, which is up 25% from where it's at now, and already after hours it's at $1.41, so it's up just over 20%. So it's very close to that price target, but actually this stock definitely surpassing that price target and potentially 100% doubling from where it's at now. Long term, this company can 10x where it's at now if they can bring up their delivery number, because 10 deliveries last year, I mean, for a company that's just starting off, it's not bad, but it's also not amazing. So this year they really need to take that up, and hopefully this global expansion will mean a lot more deliveries, a lot more systems installed, and will bring up revenue. So maybe they might even exceed that $3 million revenue, and if not, then definitely by the end of the 2021 quarter or 2021 year. Then yeah, so let's just end this by let's talk about the overall summary. So the benefits and the risks, or the advantage and disadvantage regarding this stock. So for me, the advantage is they've got a great product which is innovative and is needed, and I thought this is ahead of its time. So there's no real competitors as of now, and even if there were, this company would establish themselves by then. And also I like the fact that as they're just starting out, they're already thinking of going global. So they started out going global. So most companies will just start off in their home base before thinking of going global. But this company said, yes, we're going to do US, we're going to do Europe, and we're going to do Asia all at once. So I like this growth. But yeah, for me, the disadvantage would be the revenue. So between 3 million to 3.3 million is very low, and I want them to exceed this 1.1 million expectation for this fourth quarter. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, in fact, if they do, this can also push up the stock price. And also another disadvantage, like I said, is only 10 products installed in 2020. So I want to see this increase drastically in 2021, and I guess COVID-19 played a huge role in them having such a low installation number. But 2021, I still want to see this increase drastically as they kind of adjust to the COVID-19 and to the pandemic. So right now we're at $1.16, and after hour it's up 20% and sitting at $1.41. So this stock actually doing very well long term, as this company keeps pushing their products and expanding it, and I even see the stock 10xing from its current price once more products are pushed out, installed, and this will push revenue, especially with a global expansion. So this stock for me is a buy. I wasn't able to start a position on Friday. Monday, I will be looking to start a position, maybe if I can get a nice dip. So my advice for anyone wanting to swing trade this stock is look for a dip and get in at the dip. And yeah, because I believe in this $1 cost base is a good getting price. Actually, this start going to $2, $3, $4, $5 as we go on through the year, and each quarter, if delivery and installation for their system is up drastically, which I believe is very possible, because if you've got the US market, you've got the European market, you've got the Asian market, then that's a huge expansion. Like, you have to get more than 10 installed is basically what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, as always, be very careful and cautious when investing in these penny stock. This is just my analysis, my opinion, so don't invest in the stock just because I said so. So make sure to do your own research, do your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock in the stock market, especially these penny stock. But like I said, if you do plan to swing it, look for a dip. And also another advice is don't get greedy. So if you've got a nice return and you're happy with it, even if it's just like 20%, 30%, then take your profit, or take profit off it, then maybe leave the rest and see what happens. But don't just gamble your money away. But yeah guys, that's just my opinion, and as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I've said all that. But yeah guys, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next video.